What is GMP, and why does it matter more than you think? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. It's the system that makes sure food is produced safely, consistently, and without contamination. But here's the key. GMP is not one rule. It's everything happening around the food. Think about this. Before you even cook food, what matters? Clean hands, clean equipment, clean environment, trained staff. That's GMP. It covers personal hygiene, cleaning and sanitation, equipment condition, pest control, storage and handling, documentation and records. So before any food safety plan, GMP must already be working. Because if your basics fail, everything fails. You can have temperature checks, you can have procedures, but if staff don't wash hands properly or surfaces are not clean, you already have a problem. Here's a simple way to think about it. GMP else control of the environment around the food, not the cooking step, not the final check. Everything before that. Where is GMP used? Everywhere. Restaurants, hotels, catering, food factories, street food, airlines. If food is being prepared, GMP applies. And here's the reality. Most food safety issues are not because of complex systems. They happen because basic GMP is not followed. No hand washing, poor cleaning, cross-contamination, lack of supervision. Simple things, big consequences. So if you want safer food, start with GMP, because without it, food safety doesn't stand a chance.